back. So, gawin natin mabilis. Wala nang intro. A3, Wagyu. Matsusaka to, no? Tapos, bison. Kayo na lang maglagay ng meaning. 4 sila pero buy. So, ano ibig sabihin mo? Buti na lang. Yan. Kita nyo guys, yan yung marbling ng A3. Now, personally, I prefer A3. Kasi mas lasa pa rin siyang karne. Yung ano kasi, yung A5, kung binanata namin ang kain, luto natin, akala ko makikita na kami ni San Pedro.
Bobo ka.
Akipan. O, ito mo, demonetize tayo. Hindi ko sabihin namin. Meron ka. So, high heat, 210. So, it's mga 4 to 5 minutes per side. So, we will cook by feel. Okay? Shout out, thank you pala, Waking, for this very organic product. Huwag maisog yung mukha ko. So, what you want here is high heat talaga para magkaroon siya ng crust. And it's been 4 minutes. This is what you want. Okay? Nag-crust siya. Okay? That's what you want. And minced garlic. So, konting-konti lang ilalagay natin. And this one, mabilis itong mabilis itong ma-burn. So, pagkalagay mo, konti lang. Halo mo kagad. You get? So,
Yung taba, lutuin mo rin Cast mo rin yung taba.
Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
Yes. Pati yung mga edges Kala mo na yan.
Ano to? Barbecue pati edges kinakakas.
Oo, dito ang ganda no. Gusto ko yung dulo, di ano to.
5 minutes. Siyempre, lalagyan natin ito. Always remember, you don't really fully cook it sa pan. So this one, you have to let it rest for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Yung iba, 5 minutes, depending on gaano kakapal yan. So, we'll let this rest and then we'll cut it. Tingnan natin kung nagawa natin ng tama ito. When you cut the steak, makita niyo yung grain, you always cut across the grain. Huwag pa ganun, para mas malambot. Though malambot na to, tanggalin muna natin yung fat. Okay? So, trim natin yung fat kasi pinapatanggal ni Boss RB. Okay, so what we have is this one. So this one, so hindi naman to, ligaments to
Isa muna. Hindi ba pag ganun? Ako pag ganun ako lagi.
Mas
Tama. Against the grain dapat. Tama naman. Para pag nguya mo, yung grain.
talas ng kutsilyo nyo. Sakto lang.
Pwede na yun.
Medium rare. There, see? So how do you check if it's medium rare? Pag hinawa ko yung gitna ng meat and mainit siya, that's not blood, that's myoglobin. Coloring lang ng ano yan, ng blood, but that's technically not blood. So, ang mahal ng steak natin guys, pero yung kutsilyo natin, kung malapit na ito mag-retire. See that? It's perfectly cooked. Sarap mo, that's not blood. That's myoglobin. So, natin. There you have it. Your A3 Matsusaka Wagyu. Perfectly cooked. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you at the next one. Bye.